Are you tired of waiting for Nmap to finish scanning your network? In this video, I'm showing you the official, cleanest, and the most reliable way to install RustScan on Kali Linux. No errors, no broken dependencies, and no system warning. Let's get it done. Before we start, let me tell you first, this video is not sponsored by any company or developer. All content is provided for educational and cybersecurity awareness purposes only. It's super simple to find the official repository on GitHub through Google. Search RustScan and you will find the official repository. But first, we need to make sure our system is ready to build the tool. Open your terminal. We are going to use Cargo, which is the official package manager for Rust. For installing Cargo on Kali Linux, type sudo apt update space and end space sudo apt install space -y build essential space cargo. Running these commands to prepare your build environment, it might take a moment, but this ensures a clean installation without messing with your system's Python packages. After extracting all the data we have downloaded through the terminal, we will move to the next step, which is the configuration. Type in terminal cargo, install RustScan, and hit enter. This process depending on your internet speed, so I'm gonna speed up the video. Cargo /pin /rustscan version to verify the version we downloaded right now. Now that RustScan is installed, we need to make sure your terminal can find it from anywhere. We will add the installation folder to your system path. This is a one-time configuration that makes your workflow professional and efficient. And guess what? This is our first test. RustScan space -a space 127.0.0.1. Hit enter from your keyboard. And from here, we will run our last scan. Notice I'm adding --Ulimit 5000. This tells the system to allow enough connection for RustScan to hit its maximum speed without triggering any crashes. Look at the lighting fast. RustScan is now fully operational and ready for your next penetration test. If you find this installation guide helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more cybersecurity tools. All comments are in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.